Have you ever imagined turning your favorite plant into a botanical jewelry? It's possible through the technique of preserving plants in resin. We are Isabel and Samuel, a couple of biologists who transform plants into jewelry. The first step is to dehydrate the plants so they don't deteriorate in the resin. We use a wooden press and a homemade microwave press for this purpose. After dehydration, the plants are preserved in clear resin. We use silicone molds to create beautiful pieces that preserve all the details of the plants. Learn this complete technique through our guide, where we teach all the steps of the process in detail, so you can replicate it anywhere in the world. We teach how to find the ideal resin in your country and create pieces with a perfect finish, without the need for sanding and polishing. Start this new project now and amaze everyone around you with jewelry made by you.